Hello and welcome back to my channel Science and Math with Jerold. A new series that will start today, that is Mathemagic of the Week. So today's video is the first in the series of Mathemagic of the Week, and that is we'll be learning the trick that I have taught you a few videos ago, and that is multiplying any number by 11 and 111. Take any number, may it be 2-digit number, 3-digit number, single-digit number, 5-digit number, or any bigger number that is there, you can do it and you can multiply the number by 11 and 111. So let us see how we can do it. So let us first start with the 2-digit numbers. So how we can multiply a 2-digit number? Let us say we will multiply 27. Now let us take multiplication of 27 by 11. Very simple, very easy. If the number is 27, the first thing that you do for multiplication of 11 is write the 7, that is the last digit, as it is in your answer. So the final digit that I will have in my multiplication of 27 into 11, if I am multiplying 27 multiplied by 11, so first thing that I will do is I will write 7 at the end. Then the second thing that I have to do is I have to add the 2 digits that are there. I will add the 2 digits that are there, that is 2 and 7. So if I add the 2 digits, 2 plus 7 will give me 9. And finally, the first digit that is there, that I have to write it as it is. So my multiplication, you all can cross verify with the calculator. If I multiply 27 with 11, my answer will be 297. This was for a 2-digit number. Now let us try a 3-digit number. So we'll say 324. So let us say 324 is my next number, a 3-digit number. So if I have to multiply 324, as I told you, if I am multiplying it by 11, first thing that I do is I write the final digit as it is. Then what I do is I add the 2 digits. As we did in this sum, I will add the 2 digits. So if I am adding 2 digits, I will get 2 plus 4 is 6. Now what about the number 3 that remains? Next, I have to add the next 2 digits. So now I will add these 2 digits. First I added the last 2 digits. Next I will add the previous 2 digits. So 3 plus 2 will give me 5. And finally, as we did in this number, that is 2, I brought it as it is. So this 3 will come down as it is, and my answer for multiplication of 324 by 11 will be 3564. For a 4-digit number, let us say 2415. This is my number that I have to multiply by 11. So let us see multiplying this number by 11, how do I get it? Same applies to all the concepts. So first thing that I do is write the final number as it is, add the last 2 digits, that is 6. 5 plus 1 will give me 6. Then the next 2 digits, that is 4 and 1, will give me 5. And then the final 2 digits, that are 2 and 4, will give me 6. And then finally the 2 will come as it is, that is 2. So 2415 multiplied by 11 will give me this as my answer, that is 26,565. That is how you multiply any number by 11. But here, if you see, all my additions are coming less than 10. What happens if my addition goes in double numbers? Let us try. Let us say my number is 384. This is my number. So what I have to do is multiplying by 11. While multiplying by 11, you know, the first thing is I write the final number. In previous cases, you saw 2 plus 4, 6. Then you saw 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 2, 9. These were simple numbers to add. Now, if you see 8 plus 4 goes to, now I have to add these 2 numbers. So these 2 numbers will make my addition as 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So what I write is I write 2 from that 12. The remaining 1 goes to the next number. 1 goes to the next number. Now I add the other two numbers. So adding the next two numbers, that is 3 plus 8 will give me 11 and this 1. So it will again be 12. So again the 2 from that number will come here and one more will go over here. Finally, I have to write the first digit over here, but I also have a 1 with it. So 3 plus 1 will have 4. So it will become 4. This is my multiplication of 384 by 11. So my answer will be 4224. This is how you multiply any number by 11. Now let us move on to the next part of the video, that is multiplying the numbers by 111. So let us see how to multiply any number by 111. As 111 is a 3-digit number, we will start the multiplication with a 3-digit number. So let us say the number that is 253. This is my number. No, not we'll take it afterwards. This number will be a little bit complicated, which we'll do afterwards. So let us say the first number that I have is 124. So 124 that we took previously also, maybe the same number has come. So 124 is my new number and I have to multiply the number by 111, that is 111. So let us see how to do it. Similar to the multiplication of 11, first thing that you do is write the final digit 4. So the final digit that is here will come down. Then add the 2 digits as we did for 11. So now I have to do is add the 2 digits. So now I will add 2 plus 4 will give me 6. Because 11 had 2 digits, so we continuously added only 2 digits. But now this is 111, that is a 3-digit number. So after adding 2 digits, next thing that I'll do is I'll add the 3 digits. Now adding 3 digits will give me 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So next number in my answer will be 7. Next, add these 2 digits. How we went? First digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, then 2 digits and again back to 1 digit. So adding these two numbers will give me the answer 3 and then finally the one that remains is this. So this is my multiplication of how any number can be multiplied by 111. Let us see what I can do with the 4-digit number. 1, 2, 1, 3. We'll take small numbers first because we know it can get complicated, that carry numbers and all comes in. Hence we will wait and do the complicated numbers a little ahead in this video. So 1213 is my new number, multiplying that number by 11 and I should have an answer. What we have done previously, 3 will come as it is. Next, adding these two numbers will give me 4. Adding 3 numbers will give me 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6. So next digit, that is 6. Now new. We are done with these 3 numbers. Now as we did for 2 digit, we moved on to these 2 digits. Similarly, we'll do and we'll move on to these 3 digits. So 1 to 1 is my new 3 digits that I have to consider. So 1 plus 2 3 plus 1 4. Then comes again 2 digits. So will give me 3 and then final answer will come down. So that will be my 1. So this is the multiplication of 1213 by 111. That is how you multiply 11 and 111 to any number in mathematics. Now let us see bigger numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 were smaller numbers. 4-digit number we'll consider with a bigger number. That is, let us see 3, 4, 2, 8. This is my new number and I will multiply it by 111. Let us see what I get. 8. First basic thing is I write the last digit as it is. Next comes in my final two digits. 2 plus 8 will give me 10. So what I write here is only 0. And that 1 that is there gets carried to 2. So the 1 that is there will get carried over here. Okay, so 1 gets carried. Now you know we have to add these three numbers. So adding 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14 and plus this one will give me 15. Right? Now next two numbers will come. Next three numbers 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9 and 1 will give me again a 10 and 1 will get carried. Now the next thing is 3 plus 4 will give me 7 and that one gives me 8 and finally this 3 will come as it is, and this is how I multiply bigger numbers with 111. That was the first Mathemagic that I wanted to tell you all in this video. Every week, every Sunday, I will be uploading a Mathemagic series video at 11 AM and that will be what I have for you for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel for more such easy videos and more such fun, because we will be doing a series where we will be understanding squaring 2-digit numbers, we will be understanding squaring 3-digit numbers, squaring a 4-digit number, how small squares can help you all to understand bigger square, how addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also gives us squares, also multiplying bigger numbers close to round figures. Everything big series that I have lined up for you all in this series of Mathemagic. Stay tuned to the channel and enjoy these videos. If you feel like it, you can subscribe to the channel so that I will help you all to understand maths in a fun-loving way.